Today I was asked to speak about reclaiming your space mentally and physically to get you to extraordinary and to defy gravity.
I know for myself, I cannot soar, I cannot defy gravity if my mental and physical state is not right. So for me, defying gravity means getting out of my stuff. And sometimes that is hard and sometimes it hurts. And I would use another S word, but that's what we're talking about, is your stuff.
The key points I am covering today are, does it serve you? Do you want it? Do you need it?
What I found with the clients that we work with and who we get to mentor are the clients that are holding on to other people's stuff, both mentally and physically. We don't talk any of our clients out of getting rid of something. If you want to keep it, it's yours. Keep it. I don't live there. Keep it. But the things you know you don't want, let's talk about that.
The emotional baggage that you carry around from any childhood is usually pretty profound, but you aren't really aware of it. It's getting people to really come back to the sense that, oh yeah, right, this is somebody else's stuff I'm hauling around. So that was just fabulous.
The concepts that she's tying in of not just uncluttering your spaces, but also uncluttering your mind, they do work together. They do tie together, and her presentation related to that was wonderful.
How about this? If what you own doesn't get you towards what you want, why is it in your home? Why are we walking around with this stuff physically every single day if it's not ours? And it doesn't get us to extraordinary or defying gravity.
My team mentors and I change people's lives. We help you get your space back mentally and physically, and we also lift you up to where you belong, whatever that means to you. So I'm Lisa, and I am ready to speak to your group or work with you individually.